Hi, this is Jonathan, and today we'll be showing you how we produce the solid wooden flooring from the raw material until the finished product. Let's go! Solid wood flooring logs are woven imported from Southeast Asia, South America and Africa. It takes about 3 to 5 months. The logs need to pare, swan and flush edge. After raising, the workers will select the inboards again and pick out the default bolts. The rest of the wood will be put into the drying kiln, using low temperature and low baking to dry out the boards. Drying improves the stability of the inboards and prevent pets to ensure high quality. The flow of raw materials go through a process called sanding, and sanding makes sure that the surface is smooth and has a flat surface. Flow slotting process through longitudinal slotting and slotting with different cutting edges. The lots of grooves can be milled to fit closely. This step is the key to ensure flooring will not be too tight, too loose or height differences after installation. Since wood is a natural material, there are many defects such as cracks, insect eyes and scars on the surface of the board. That's why the factory will use footing and other material to fix the default position, which can effectively protect the flow. The painting process is a very important process. Sanding before painting gives you a better attachment of the paint on the floor. Finish 8 to 9 premieres, 2 to 3 top coats. This is done to allow the better attachment on top of the floor, while making the floor coloring more uniform. The last process is the packaging, generally packed according to conventional cartons or customers' requirements. Before packaging, the factory will do a final inspection of the finished product. The product will be packed only after it's passed its qualifications. That's it for today. We have shown you how we produce the solid wood flooring tiles from the beginning until the end, from the raw material until the finished product. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs like. Bye bye.